Hello and welcome to the Programming in C++ Part 2 series. In this video we're going to finish up Chapter 13. Before we get started, go ahead and smash the like button, leave a comment, and make sure you're subscribed to the channel. And as mentioned before, when you're subscribed to the channel, it'll make it easier to navigate through YouTube, find your favorite videos, and also you'll get a notification when new material is posted. So, this video is going to cover Programming Exercise 13-20. This exercise, we're going to consider the classes class or cache register and dispenser type given in the program example Juice Machine in Chapter 10, and the class cache register and the functions overload the binary operators plus and minus, add and subtract an amount in the cache register, the relationship operators to compare the amount in the two cache registers, and the stream insertion operator for easy output. The class dispenser type in program example Juice Machine in Chapter 10 is designed to implement a dispenser to hold and release products. In this class, add the functions to the overload the increment and decrement operators to increment and decrement the number of items by one, respectively, and the stream insertion operator for easy output. So here, write a program to test the class design in step 1 and 2. So our test 1, we overloaded operators for class dispenser type. So let's go and look at what we have here. So let's start with the cache register header file. Oops, cache register header file. There we go. Let's bring this back over. All right, so let's jump in here, and first thing I see is we don't have our if and def statement. Let's go ahead and do that now, and let's go if and def cache register, all caps of course, underscore H. And then let's go define cache register underscore H. And we'll get this zeroed out at the end. Let's see if we need to add anything else here. Cache register. So here, declare the function of the overload operator plus and minus. So let's do that right here by going cache register. Operator plus and integer ampersand, call it amount, and let's put our constructor on the side. And as to cache register, let's copy this. Why is everything over? Copy this here. Paste it here. And this time we'll change this to minus. And that should be all we need for that. And then let's go down. This is not clear, so let's check our in. That is good. And we don't have our end if. So let's do that now. Hashtag if. And we should be all clear. Alright, and we are. So let me show you this code real quick for this cache register header file. Mess me up there. So here we go. Added these two statements. Came down, added our function for the overloaded operators plus and minus here on 14 and 15. And then on the very bottom, we just had to add our endif, our pound endif. Alright, so that's it for the cache register header file. Let's close that and let's make sure that it's saved the right one. so let's go into our dispenser type. Open that up. Scroll over, and let's take a quick break, and we'll be right back after this. All right, welcome back. Let's go ahead and do the same thing up here. Let's do our if and def, and this time will be dispenser type, all caps, underscore H, and we'll do define dispenser type underscore H. So, alright, so IOStream type class, IOStream publics. Here, declare the functions for overload increments, decrement order plus possible. Okay, those are good to go. And so the only thing we looks like we need to do here is end if. So we'll make this simple. And we did it, and it cleared up. So here on 31, your pound end if. And then you want to add your if and def dispenser type underscore H and define dispenser type underscore H. Everything is set in the dispenser type header file. Right? Remember line 1 and 2. And then line 31. Alright, so let's close that. Let's go to cash register implementation file. And so we got to include IOStream, cash register.h, using namespace, std. Let's come down here, cash register, get current balance. That looks good. Cash on hand, register, cash register, cash in. Statement looks good. Let's come down here to 19. Define a function to overload D plus and minus operators. So we don't have that. So let's go. Let's see. Okay, fair enough. Let's go here and start on 20. And let's go cash register. And cash register colon operator plus, and let's add int ampersand and amounts, and just like in our header file, let's do constructor on the outside. Actually, and then let's go and do our brackets for this function. Cash register temp. Let's hold the value. Temp cash on hand. So we go cash on hand plus amount. So we go in there, and then we're going to return temp. Next, let's go. These are going to be similar, so let's copy and paste. Let's copy this whole part. Let's go down to 29. Paste it. First change this to minus. And the same thing, cash register temp. Temp that cash on hand equals cash on hand minus amount. And we're going to return temp. So that part is good. Let us go and check out the rest of the operators. Equals equals. It's not equal. Okay, those look good. Looks good. And then down to the O stream. Let's see. Down to the O stream, return OS. And that one looks good. So let's go back and show you what we did. So we didn't have to include any other statements. We started right here. Find the function overload and add a plus and minus. So all we need is this part here from 20 to 36. Add that. And you can pause it if you want, as we're going to go on. 20 to 36 is all we needed for that implementation file. Alright, so let's see. Yep, everything else was done for us. So we're going to close that out. Like I said, if you need more time, pause it. We're moving forward. It's closed. And we're going to go to the dispenser type implementation file. So that's where we go. So let's take a quick break. We'll be right back after this. Alright, so welcome back. Let's get on this dispenser type implementation file. Let's check it out. Got our include statements and our hyper header file linked. So that looks good. So here on 24, let's look at find the functions of the pre and post increment and decrement operators below. So let's go ahead and do this. Add it here. Another line and make some space. Let's go dispenser type. And like the last one, dispenser type. And do our colon and operator plus plus. Just like on the header file. Function, nothing there. Let's go brackets. And do number of items plus plus. And then let's return. This one we'll do the this. Asterisk this. Alright, so there we have that one. And let's go. Copy this whole thing, save us some time, make the changes as needed. So paste it here on 32, and then we'll do plus plus. This time we'll put the integer u, and then here we'll do it down. Let's say dispenser type temp equals this. This and number of items plus plus return temp. Okay, and here let's go down again. Let's go minus minus. Copy that, or yeah, copy that again. Turn this into minus minus. Number of items minus minus. Turn this, and then finally this one. Doing the integer u, copying that, come in here and paste it, and changing this to minus minus, and this to minus minus. Right, so turn temp here, change this to return temp. All right. And let's see, what else we need. Okay, yep, that's all we need. So let's go ahead and look those over again. So we came here under 24, dispenser type operator plus plus. We did these to two functions. Pause if you need more time. Scrolling down. And we get the last two. Alright. And everything else stayed the same. So pause it if you need more time. Going back up. And that's all we needed for the dispenser type implementation file. Let's close that out. Now let's run to our main. And main is where we'll do most of the work on this one. So let's go ahead and get our include statements. We're done our include statements, but let's get our header files linked. So let's go include cash register -h, and then include dispenser type -h, and get those, use namespace, and let's add our functions at top. Let's do void show selection and semicolon, and let's do void sell product, and then it'll be dispenser type ampersand, product, cash register ampersand, and the P counter. Alright, so those are two functions we got there that we have to work in when we get to. So let's come on down. Let's make this ready to work. And let's move this out the way. Let's go up to line 12. And let's take a break. We'll be right back after this. Alright, so let's go ahead and dive in. Let's do cash register. Oops. Cash register counter. Let's go ahead and copy this dispenser type because we use it a few times. Don't need the ampersand though. So copy that. And let's go dispenser type. Orange is the first one. And we'll use 60 comma space 100 semicolon dispenser type. Then we have the apple juice. And this is 70 comma 100. Dispenser type mango 8045. And then dispenser type strawberry banana. And that would not be a variable yet. So 185. Integer choice. This variable is to hold the selection and show selection. It's empty. And then CIN choice. Alright, let's do our while choice does not equal 9. Okay, let's go do a switch on this one. So switch. Choice. And let's do a bracket. Case 1. cell product. And orange comma counter. And we'll do our break. And then let's go to case 2. Let's go ahead and use these here. Okay. Let's go this line 2. Messed up my spacing. 2. And this is going to be apple. Try to copy the whole thing this time. See, let's go here, there. Sounds like right. Case 3. Mango and strawberry banana. Let's choose 4 and change this to strawberry banana. Oops. Got it. Strawberry banana. And now after this break, we'll do our default. Colon. And let's do cout invalid selection. Invalid selection. And line there. Switch in it right there. And let's go from the outside of the switch. Show selection. And semicolon. And CIN choice in. Covers that. So now that ends that while. Let's bring this return 0 up because we can do our functions now. Alright, we'll leave it there. Let's go down here. Let's do our first function, the void product. So I'll go up here and get it, copy it, I should say. Void self or cell product. Show selection with it. Actually, let's do the show selection first. Don't need the semicolon, remember? We're going to use the brackets, so copy that. 51. Use our brackets. So here we'll do the talking. So let's go cout. And let's do 3 asterisks. And welcome to Shelly's Juice Shop. Space and 3 more asterisks. Let's go in that line. Let's go cout. Select an item. Enter. And cout. Let's go with 1 for orange. 3 for strawberry banana. And Cout 4 for cookies. Let's cut that. Let's cut cookies. And right, let's take a quick break. We'll be right back after this. Alright, so let's go next after cookies. Let's go Cout one more time. And 9 to exit. Oops. And 9. And then that'll end that function. Let's go to our last function. Go get it. So we have everything is in it for us. Need the semicolon, of course. Copy that. Go to 62. And let's paste that there. Looks good. So let's go ahead and do a bracket. And let's do an integer amount. And let's see. This is a hold the amount enter, and then integer amount 2. And there's a hold the extra amount needed. So if you don't have enough, first start. So product. Get no of items. And it's going to be a function there. And let's go. That is greater than 0. The dispenser is not empty. It has something more than 0. I'm going to use our brackets. Say Cout. Please deposit. And we'll say product dot get costs. That function. And let's go continue here. Cents. Sorry, it's going to be cents. And then E in line there. And we'll need the amount, but we'll C in amount. And let's do if amount is less than product get costs. Get cost. So we'll go Cout, please deposit. Deposit another. Let's continue this over. Another product that get costs. And here we need to subtract minus amount. Subtract the costs, whatever's left. That many cents. Alright, and there we go. In line. There we 2. And we will do math. So let's do amount equals amount plus amount 2. So amount that you put in initially, and then what you added to it. So okay, that. So after that, if this if this here. Amount. Let's go here. If that's the big. This one should have a in my bracket. Should have, but I'll fix that. Here and out bracket to close out if. So now we'll do another if. If amount is greater than or equal to product dot get costs. And P counter equal P counter plus amount. Okay, and then let's go product minus minus. So this one, let's go C out. Collect your item at the bottom. Bottom. And enjoy. Combine. Damn. I didn't do my brackets supposed to be there. Right now, dang them brackets. Alright. Sorry about that. Alright. Know what we need to fix that. So let's take a quick break. We'll be right back after this. Alright, so let's come down after this bracket. Let's do our else. And then we'll say C out the amount is not enough. And collect what you deposit. Deposit. Line. Let's go back under our else. C out. We'll do an asterisk, dash, asterisk, dash, asterisk. So let's look at the instructions and count these. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Right, 20 of these. So we gotta go 1, 2, 3, 4, oops, 4. Sorry. Pick this up again. Insert. Right, nope. Oh, well, I like the cursor like that. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Fix this. For now. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. There we go. And let's go to the next line here and go like that. Inline. And then let's go inline and inline here because there's 2. And let's go down to this last one and let's do else again. Let's go see out. Sorry, this item is sold out. And that's it for the production cell production function. So we'll go through. Let's put this up. I'm going to go up to top and show you the code slowly so that you can pause if you need it as needed. Alright, so this is the first line. We added our include state bar, our linked our header files. Let's go ahead and check that out. Pause it as you need. Okay. Okay. Show selection function and our cell product function. Alright, there we go. If you need to rewind it, rewind it. If you need to pause it, pause it. But we're closing it out and we're going to try to run this baby. See what we got. Alright, so let me run it. So, when I come back, we'll go ahead and restart it, the program, and then I'll run it for you then. Alright, we're back. Let's go ahead and run it. Sometimes when it doesn't run like that, you just have to restart the program and let it do. Here's the press 2. Alright, so it looks good. And let's go ahead and see what we calculated our grade. Let's just select the juice one. So, well, that's calculated. I'm pretty sure that should be good to go. That's all for chapter 13. We finished it up. So we're on to chapter 14. Thank you for watching. Let's verify this green check mark and this 100% for this one. All right, there we have it. So we'll see you on the next one as we go into chapter 14. We only got 14, 15, 16, 17, 18 to go. Yeah, a lot more, just 5 more chapters. 4 is pretty short. I think it only has 4 exercises. So, or 14 only has 4 exercises. All right, so I'll see you on the next one. Have a great one.